In the burgeoning narrative of solar punk, the chlorophyll reactor stands out as a tangible bridge between biology and technology. Formally, it is a multilayered facade that cloaks a skyscraper in a lattice of genetically engineered leaves, interwoven with mycelial threads acting as living conductors. The external lattice resembles an electric organ, with veins of translucent chloroplast-infused polymer that pulse in rhythm with the sun. Beneath this, a network of fungal mycelium grows within microcavities, forming a microcable that transfers the harvested electron flow to the building's grid without the need for copper. The reactor's silhouette is intentionally organic. Scalloped edges ebb and flow like a living reef, allowing rainwater to nourish the biotic components while also serving as passive shading. Functionally, the reactor performs three critical roles. First, its photosynthetic panels convert sunlight into electricity with efficiencies boosted by synthetic chlorophyll that extends the absorption spectrum into the near-infrared. Second, the mycelial grid stores the generated charge in biocapacitive hyphae, delivering power during nocturnal periods and smoothing intermittent output. Third, the system's self-repairing nature enables continuous operation. Damaged leaf units are pruned and replaced by new growth, while mycelial pathways reroute around lesions, much like a neural network healing after injury. Integrated sensors monitor moisture, light intensity, and metabolic health, feeding data into a building-wide AI that optimizes pruning, nutrient delivery, and energy dispatch. Aesthetically, the chlorophyll reactor celebrates a vibrant, hopeful palette. Warm greens and golden amber hues dominate, punctuated by the soft white glow of bioluminescent fungi that illuminate the night facade like a living lantern. The design echoes historic botanical illustration, rendered in delicate watercolor washes with precise ink line work, giving it a handcrafted yet futuristic feel. Its presence reshapes the urban skyline from a static collection of steel to a breathing organism, embodying the solar punk ideal that technology can grow from, rather than dominate, the natural world.